Plastic surgeon is helping Southeast Queenslanders shed a huge amount of weight without exercise. One of his patients has lost 30 kilograms without stepping foot inside a gym. And tonight, the doctor reveals his scientifically proven secret. Just over a year ago, the simple task of tying shoelaces was impossible for Malcolm Simmons.
I was so overweight that I was obese. I was about 111 kilos.
Since then, he's dropped 30 kilos. Even his mates have to look twice.
Big Mel ain't there anymore.
His secret is a little-known lifestyle called the Nysteia formula.
Nysteia is a novel approach to weight loss. That said, the Greeks were the first people to appreciate the benefits of fasting 3,000 years ago.
There are three main rules: fasting, eating a Mediterranean-type cuisine, and exercise. But it can work without these too.
Yes, it can do, but it's just going to take longer to sort of achieve your goals.
While following the Nysteia formula, people only eat within a 6-hour window during the day, then fast for 18 hours. The idea is the body will produce less insulin, allowing it to use stored fat as energy. Cancer surgeon Dr. Andrew Renaud became an advocate after seeing so many patients fail on traditional diets.
The calorie-restricted diet has been shown to fail time and time and time again. And that's because it doesn't address the underlying problem, which is insulin resistance.
There's no set rule about when to have your eating window, but it is recommended people stick to the same routine each day. So, for example, you could eat between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m, then skip dinner. Or you could go without breakfast and eat between 1 and 7 p.m. During the fasting hours, water, black coffee and green tea are all allowed.
I think it will work for anybody who wants to achieve their ideal weight.
Malcolm's new lifestyle means he's now off medication for high blood pressure and diabetes.
The biggest difference with me is enjoying yourself a little bit more because you're so much more active. And when you've got grandchildren, you need the energy, believe me.
Ashlyn Crew-Kellis,